Kasco's been moving water forward since 1968. I'm Trevor Johnson, Director of Operations and Engineering here at Kasco Marine at our home facility in Prescott, Wisconsin.
My name's Don Egerberg. I'm the superintendent at Clifton Howell Golf Club. For the last 30 years, we've had Kasco fountains in this water feature.
All of our products here at Kasco are designed in-house and assembled in-house. We spend a lot of time listening to our distributors to understand what their needs are and what exactly the problems are that they're trying to solve.
My name's Kevin. I'm a Kasco distributor. We maintain lakes and ponds for weed and algae control, and we sell aeration equipment. We have a short season in Minnesota for our fountains to run, so we depend on Kasco to sell a durable product and stand behind it and stand behind their repairs and their warranty, and they always do.
You know, our experience with Kasco fountains, they're really a working fountain. Anytime you're buying a piece of capital equipment, you don't want to have to be maintaining it constantly. That fountain comes on at 7 a.m. in the morning and it shuts off at 9 p.m. at night, and it does it every day, and I don't ever have to think about it.
One thing that really sets Kasco apart is the way that we listen to our customer needs and support them, and the way that we partner with our distributors to help them make their businesses succeed.
Kasco's a large company, but they make you feel like you're, part of their team. It's not a 1-800 number. You can call them over and talk to Matt, talk to Dan, talk to Aiden. They make you feel like they're concerned about your issue and they want to get it resolved as quick as possible.
I love when I'm walking through the office and I can hear people on the phone. A distributor will call in and talk to one of our inside salespeople or a customer service representative. You hear them pick up the phone and say, "Hey, how's it going?" You hear the warmth in their voice. They know each other.
Agronomy has changed a lot. All the mechanical equipment that you use have really improved.
One of our values is continuous improvement. So that comes from every level of the organization.
We test everything. We make sure that the product that's leaving out the door is not going to be a safety concern.
My name's Travis Hilden, and right now we're in our 3D printer room.
Kasco utilizes computer-simulated software as well as 3D printed prototypes to do multiple iterations very quickly on our product design.
With a 3D printer, you could have the idea on your way to work and have it in your hands by lunch.
Maintaining the course, it's different every day. It's a very labor-intensive industry. There are just people that belong on a grounds crew, just because they enjoy getting up in the morning and making something look better.
One of our main goals at Kasco is to create an environment where people have the opportunity to perform at their best through removing obstacles, barriers, or frustrations that they may encounter, and also to give them a voice.
People ask me all the time, what's the number one reason to purchase Kasco? The answer is always the same. It's the people. The people here care about what they do, they take pride in their work, and they're truly professionals.